Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the USB ports on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. If you need to find where these fuses are located, we'll cover that today, relays as well. And if you need to buy replacement parts to use fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. If you need something, you can get it guys. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The USB port fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. Let's demonstrate on that GMC Sierra. We'll be working on one fuse box that's hidden, but actually you guys have up to 3 different hidden fuse boxes and one is mostly obvious that people know about. So that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it can save you a lot of money. What do we need to do today? Open the passenger door, and here on the side of the dash, if we zoom in, this is a cover guys, right here. You can pry that cover open and behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Let's guys zoom in a little bit, right here. Okay, perfect. 2018 year model GMC Sierra's fuse boxes may differ very slightly, but specifically for that purpose, for that fuse that we need to check for the USB ports, it will be the same for all years. And the fuse that we need to check today guys, it's known as fuse number 27. We're talking about this double 15M fuse. That's a really hard to find fuse, that's why we recommend to get some spare ones. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That's known as a micro 3-blade fuse. What about relay? You don't have a relay. A relay function practically is controlled by the BCM, known as body control module. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.